What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best auto car wax on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Formula 1 Carnauba Car Wax. The superior shine of Carnauba Wax, Formula 1 Carnauba Wax Car Paste contains pure Carnauba, the world's hardest wax. This natural polishing compound gives your car a glossy brand new finish and water beading protection that lasts. Advanced micro polishers or car wax polish helps bring out the true color of your car paint with its exclusive micro polishers that gently remove scratches from car surface and prevent dirt particles from sticking to it for a clear coat and a long lasting shine. Easy to use, there's no need to spend hours in a conventional car wash to keep your vehicle shining. With this paste wax, you just have to rub the car's surface with a soft microfiber cloth, a towel, or a clay mitt, and it's ready to go. Protects from water and oxide. The exclusive ingredients of Formula 1 exterior care products help prevent water stains and oxidation from corroding your auto paint finish. A periodic application of our wax remover paste is recommended for best results. I must have for car lovers. Formula One's car detailing supplies are ideal for those auto enthusiasts who love the showroom glow of a 0 km. Car care has never been so easy with our car cleaning line. Easy to wash off and a glossy paint finish that lasts. Give your car that showroom shine without having to leave your garage with Formula 1 Carnauba Past Car Wax. Made with high-quality Grade 1 Prime Yellow Carnauba wax, make your ride look factory fresh without having to break the bank or your back. Formula 1 Car Wax restores automotive paint to its natural rich color and gives a glossy shine. Simply washing your car with shampoo won't remove all the dirt and gunk that tarnishes paint. You'll need the heavy-duty strength of Formula 1 Carnauba wax that is safe for all paint finishes, including clear coats. This high-performance wax contains advanced micropolishers that help fill in and remove minor scratches while clearing away hard-to-remove haze. This is great for deep cleaning, especially if your car has not been washed for a long time or if it has water spots. Small contaminants are easily picked up by the wax as you wipe it away. Waxing is a breeze with Formula 1 paste wax that goes on fast and wipes off easily, giving you a high glossy shine with water beading protection. Enjoy smooth and bright protection that only pure Carnauba wax can give for up to 12 months. Periodic application of the wax is recommended for best results. Whether you're a hardcore auto enthusiast or just a hard-working person with a favorite ride, Formula 1 Carnauba Past Car Wax delivers reliable and incredible performance every time you use it. There's nothing like the satisfaction of a freshly waxed car glistening in your garage or driveway. In our list, the number 4 product name is Car Guys Liquid Wax. Only apply 1 to 2 times a year. Are you tired of using products that look great but don't last? You won't experience that here. Our advanced proprietary polymer additives boost our products' protection and durability. It's like giving steroids to our products. Stop using inferior sealants, car waxes, and polishes made with old science and technology. This will outlast and outshine them all. Super easy to apply and buff, no professional needed. See why all our customers rave at how it's so simple to use. We made it easier to apply and wipe off compared to all others on the market. This will be the quickest and easiest proper wax job that you will ever do. No more getting an arm workout trying to remove your wax. Super slick mirror shine. Most products nowadays will make your vehicle look pretty good. Our product will bring the gloss up to another level. Exceed your expectations with incredible crystal clear reflections. Surfaces become super slick and will continue to bead for months. You will be amazed at how unbelievably sleek and reflective your vehicle will look. Finally, get that new showroom shine that will make all the neighbors jealous. Why choose car, guys? We care about quality. Our products are made with the latest advancements in science using the best equipment available. This helps us make consistently high quality products that always work great. Every formula we make is mixed and bottled in the USA by hard-working Americans. Real customer support. The Car Guys team actually cares about customer satisfaction. If you ever have any concerns, let us know, and a person from our team will do everything in our power to make it right. In our list, the number 3 product name is Menzerna Cut Force Pro Car Polish. 2 steps in one for incredible results. Cut Force Pro ensures maximum removal while maintaining excellent gloss. An absolute innovation from the Menzerna Premium Laboratory. It gets the job done without the hassle to switch between different products. Ideal for reconditioning used vehicles. Become a Cut Force professional. Our Menzerna Cut Force Pro is compatible with our red heavy cut or our green soft cut pad. By using an orbital or rotary polishing machine or polishing it by hand, your vehicle will be as shiny as it can get. Buffing and polishing are the key steps to making your vehicle look brand new again. The high-performance polish removes even the most stubborn scratches, sanding, and wear marks at top speed. The color of your car will be brighter and protected from environmental impact. Beginner-friendly, clean the surface with the Menzerna Control Cleaner. Apply 3 to 7 drops of polish to the red heavy cut foam pad. Polish until the greasy-looking film looks slightly translucent and remove polish residues. Take a second stage of polishing with the Cut Force Pro with the green soft cut pad. Follow up with the Menzerna Power Lock Sealant. Your car is safe with US. For more than 130 years, we Menzerna have been refining and expanding our expertise in the field of car detailing and polishing. Let us support you through the finishing touches of your vehicle and enjoy your brand new car. In our list, the number 2 product name is Abro Super Gold Carnauba Car Wax Ka. High quality protection. Abro Super Gold Carnauba Car Wax is a premium quality car wax that provides long-lasting protection against UV rays, water spots, and other environmental contaminants. Showroom Shine. With its advanced formula, Abro Super Gold Carnauba Car Wax delivers a brilliant, high-gloss shine that will make your car look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Easy to use, this car wax is incredibly easy to apply and buff off, making it the perfect choice for busy car enthusiasts who want to keep their vehicles looking their best without spending hours detailing. Versatile. Abro Super Gold Carnauba Car Wax is safe for use on all tall types of automotive paint finishes, including clear coats, single-stage paint, and more. It can also be used on boats, motorcycles, and other vehicles. Long-lasting protection. This car wax provides a durable layer of protection that lasts for months, keeping your car looking great even in harsh weather conditions. Its premium quality formula is designed to provide superior protection and shine so you can enjoy your vehicle's appearance for longer. A premium quality car wax that provides superior protection and high gloss shine to all types of automotive paint finishes. With its advanced formula, this car wax is specially designed to deliver long lasting protection against UV rays, water spots, and other environmental contaminants, helping to keep your car looking great even in harsh weather conditions. This car wax is incredibly easy to apply and buff off, making it the perfect choice for busy car enthusiasts who want to keep their vehicles looking their best without spending hours detailing. Its versatile formula is safe for use on all types of automotive paint finishes, including clear coats, single stage paint, and more, as well as boats, motorcycles, and other vehicles. In our list, the number one product name is Megiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus Premium Liquid Wax. Megiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus Premium Liquid Wax creates strong, long-lasting wax protection to preserve your finish and leave it with a brilliant reflective shine. Our proprietary blend of premium Carnauba wax and protecting polymers has been improved to leave an even richer shine and deeper gloss with sharp, clear reflections. Safe and effective on clear coats and all glossy paint types, this gold class wax easily glides on and off with the included soft foam applicator pad. Can be applied by hand or with DA polisher like Megiar's Tint 300 Dual Action Polisher. Premium Carnauba Wax, special blend of premium Carnauba wax for achieving the maximum richness and depth of shine. Easy to use spray, quick and easy spray wax, simply mist on and wipe off. Can be applied in full sunlight. Clear coat safe and effective on all glossy paints and clear coats, not for use on flat, matte, or satin finishes. Sun safe formula makes black cars blacker. NO wax residue will not leave a white wax residue on exterior plastic or rubber like traditional waxes. Best results. Ideal when used with a premium microfiber towel like Megiar Supreme Shine Microfiber Towels X 2020. Gold Class Premium Wax with a luxurious Carnauba polymer blend gives your paint finish strong, long-lasting wax protection with a brilliant reflective shine. Special blend of Carnauba wax with protecting polymers is safe and effective on clear coats and all glossy paint types. This liquid wax features an improved formula that creates an even richer shine and leaves a deeper gloss with sharp, clear reflections. Easily glides on and off with included high-quality soft foam applicator. Can be applied by hand or with DA polisher like Megiar's Tint 300 Dual Action Polisher.